Hi, in this Studio X automation, we are trying to automate the strong password generation process, for which we have to update the password length to 12 and uncheck the symbols button here and copy the random password and paste it into the notepad. This is what we are trying to automate using the Studio X. Before that, let me clean up the notepad and refresh the page again so that the length is 24 again. And going back to the Studio X, I'll use the resource called use application browser to connect with the web page. I'll indicate the web page by clicking anywhere on the page, so it will capture the URL and the screen as well. Now I have to use the type into activity to update the password length field, for which I'll drag and drop into the workspace and indicate where I want to type. So this is my target which I have identified. So it will identify the anchor as well, which will help to uniquely identify the target. Once I'm okay with both of these fields, I'll click on the confirm button, which is here. Now the next thing is what we want to type. For which, click on plus button, click on text and put your values and click on the save. Now next is we want to uncheck the symbols button. For that we will use an activity called check uncheck. In the activities panel, type the activity name and drag and drop. Indicate which field you want to uncheck. So I have selected the whole. So it is giving me the error because we only have to select the field. So this is my target which I want to uncheck, and this is the anchor which identifies where the element is. Now what action I want to do? I want to uncheck it. So I'll choose the action. Once I have done this, now I want to copy the random password, for which I'll use the get text activity, dragging again to the workflow and indicating where my random password would be. So this is where I'll get the password. So indicated on the screen, and once I am okay, I can click it and click on the confirm button. So yeah, here it is, the confirm. So it is done. I got the password. Now where I want to save it, click on plus and save it for the later use. Name it as the password so that we can use it further in our automation workflow. Click on OK. So now we are done with our web application actions. So collapse this, and now I want to use the another resource to interact with the notepad. Indicate where your notepad screen is. So here is the notepad. Click on the notepad screen. It will identify the notepad, the name and the location of your notepad. And now I want to type that password, for which I'll use again the type into activity. So going to the activities panel and getting the activity, indicating it on the notepad screen where I would like to type. So it has identified the target. Then I'm clicking on the confirm again. So here where I want to type, and what I want to type is what we saved it before. So this is the password which we collected from the web page. So yes, we are done. We have the automation and running it now. So let's see, it will update length, uncheck, and yes, typing in the notepad.